Hey everyone, today we are at Space Race Adventures in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Looking forward to playing a fun round at this course. It has 3 different themings at this course throughout the blacklight theming, so it should be a really fun round. I think it has Aquatic at the start, and then like a desert theme, and then a Tropical Rainforest to end it. And then we'll play 3 holes again so we can get 18 because there's only 15 holes on this course. So should be a fun video, and we're going to play with our glow balls that sometimes you have to bounce them to get them to glow. And should be really cool with our glow balls today. So if you're new to our channel and haven't seen our videos before, what should they do, Hannah?
Like and subscribe.
Thanks, Hannah. Let us know in the comments what you thought about our round here at Space Race Adventures in Pigeon Forge. And here is what the outside of Space Race Adventures looks like. From the street, it's very difficult to tell that there's a mini golf on the 2nd floor of this building. All right, we are at Space Race Adventures. This is where you enter the mini golf. Pretty neat place. Several theming throughout the mini golf course. Here's the rules. I'll pause it there if you'd like to look at that. We've already got our golf clubs and balls, so we're gonna head inside to Space Race Mini Golf. All right, here's Corey on the first hole. Hole in one, awesome. Good job. That's an awesome way to start out.
Yep. Gary on 1.
Oh man, I didn't realize there was a hill up there.
It's a little bit of a hill right there. Got a 3.
Okay, we're on the first hole here. Some really cool theming at this course. Let's see what Hannah can do on the first hole. It's not too bad. She can get that in from there. We are using our glow balls. Should be pretty cool to be able to see everything. Good putt, Hannah. All right, hole 2. We have a choice of holes to go in, the right or the left, and then it comes out back below. All right, here's Corey on the first hole. She's got honors. Let's see which hole she goes for. She's going for the right hole. Didn't quite get it in the hole. Comes out. Hey, nice 2. Good job. All right, here's Hannah on number 2. Get in there. Is it gonna go in? Yes, hole in one. Awesome, Hannah. We got 2 hole-in-ones in the first 2 holes. That's awesome. Good job.
Gary's turn on 2. Gonna fall in.
Oh, I was that close to a hole-in-one. Oh man, what a bummer. Hey, got a 2.
Good job.
Before we go to our next hole, I wanted to show some of the cool theming at this course. Lots of little water fountains and water features. Really cool. And then this hole has like a spotlight on the tee box. That is so cool. All right, let's see what we can do on number 3. All right, here's Hannah on number 3. I think actually all the holes have a spotlight.
Right in there.
Beginning. Oh man, that was so close. I thought that was going to be another hole-in-one for Hannah. Nice 2, Hannah. All right, here's Corey on number 3. Hers got pretty close. Nice 2.
Gary on 3. Gonna get it? Nope. It's gonna end up with a 2 probably. Good job.
All right, here's Hannah on number 4.
Go in.
Oh man, that one almost went in for a hole-in-one. Nice 2, Hannah. Okay, here's Corey on number 4.
Ah,
Oh man, it almost
so
came
close.
back and went in. Nice two.
Gary on 4.
Hey,
Got
I've got
him a
my
hole.
first hole in one.
Good job. Gary has honors on number 5.
If you're new around here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future videos. Oh man,
Ooh, it turned.
there's a hill right there. I didn't even see it.
That's one thing about playing these darker courses. You can't really see the hills that are there sometimes. Good job.
All right, here's Hannah on number 5. This is the last hole with the aquatic theme, and then we move into a different theming for the next 5 holes. This hole is really tough. Hey, that was a nice putt. Good job, Hannah. All right, Corey's gonna start here on the 5th hole. I wanted to say that if you've seen us play Putter Pub at Carolina Beach, we're pretty sure these holes are manufactured by the same company because they're very similar to Putter Pub. So let's see what Corey can do. Hey, that's in pretty good shape. Now she's got to navigate that little hill in front of the hole. Hey, that was a nice putt for a 2. Good job. All right, Corey's got honors on number 6. Let's see what she can do.
Go.
And it's close to the hole.
That's a little slope right here.
These holes are like a desert theming. I feel like we just moved into the Arizona desert. Nice 2.
Gary's turn. Number 6.
Oh, man. I got robbed.
Hannah on number 6. Good job.
All right, here's Corey on number 7. Hey, that was a nice putt right there. Good 2. All right, here's Hannah on number 7. Hey, that's not bad. You got around that rock at least. Just kind of an awkward stance is all. And she got it near the hole. Nice 3.
Gary's turn on number 7.
Oh.
It's hard to get around that rock.
Yeah, it is. This rock is not in a good place.
Nice.
All right, here's Corey on number 8. Get that in for a 2. Good job. All right, here's Hannah on number 8. Nice 2, Hannah.
Gary on number 8.
Hey, hole in 1.
Nice hole in 1. Gary starting us off on number 9. Whew.
Hey,
Nice
I got 2. Okay, here's Corey on number 9. She's stuck behind the log. Oh man, she hit it a good straight putt, just a little too fast. Good job. Okay, here's Hannah on number 9.
Whoa.
Whoa, that was wild. You just hopped right over that log.
Good
Nice
job.
too, Hannah.
Gary on number 10.
If
That
I'd
was close.
hit that back wall just a little to the right, I could have had a hole in one.
Good job. Hannah on number 10.
Oh man, that was close.
Close hole in one. Good job.
All right, here's Corey on number 10. Hey, she got a hole in one. That was awesome. Good job.
That's how.
Okay, now we're switching to another theme. This looks sort of like a rainforest is what Hannah thinks. This hole reminds me of the donut hole at Putter Pub, except they're logs instead of donuts. All right, let's see what Corey can do. She went all the way around both logs and all the way to the back. That's in pretty good shape. Nice too.
Gary on number 11. Did it go in? Oh,
And that was close.
very close to hole in one on that one. Looks like he's going to have a 2. Yep, good job. Hannah on 11. Not bad. Nice 2.
All right, here's Corey on number 12. Nice putt for a 2.
Gary on number 12. Oh, almost
Close.
tapped it in. Good job. Hannah on 12. Good job.
Nice putt. All right, we're on lucky 13. Let's see what Corey can do. All right, she's in pretty good shape for her 2. You can pull it away from the wall a little bit there.
That's good.
Nice 2.
Gary on lucky 13. Oh,
That was close.
right past that hole.
Now I'm going to show you after I hit this in the hole. After I hit this hole in the hole, I guess I shouldn't count my chickens before they're hatched, that you can pick up the flag and get the ball out that way. That's nice for my back.
Hannah on lucky 13.
Oh,
Another
that
close
was so
one.
close.
Good job.
All right, here's Corey at number 14. In the log. Oh, that's
A
in
little
good
bit
shape.
harder to win in, maybe.
And there's only 15 holes on this course, so we're going to go back and play 3 more holes that we've already played so we can get a full 18 in.
We got a
We're on
thunderstorm
14
going on.
now.
Lightning.
Nice putt.
Hannah on 14. Oh, close. Good job. Gary on 14.
Oh,
Bounce
close.
it in. Good job.
All right, here we are on the last hole. We had to go get non-glow balls so we don't lose our ball on the 18th hole or 15th hole. Let's see what Corey can do. All right, she's got it over there. She's got a shot at the hole from there. Oh, so close. She can get it in from there.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye, ball. All right, here's Hannah on number 15 with her non-glow ball. And she's over there in pretty good shape. Move it away from the wall a little bit, Hannah, so you got room to hit it. There you go. This rainforest theme is cool. And bye-bye to that ball. Good job, Hannah.
Gary's turn on 15.
I'm going to try going through the log since no one else did, just to see what it does.
The log and see what happens. Same of
result.
Hey, you don't know until you try.
I'm going to try going around the back and see what happens. That was not a very good idea.
Stuck behind the log now.
Oh, I had the right idea. I thought that was going to bounce in. Move it away from that a little bit, so I got room to get my club behind it. All right, we've come back to the first hole, and we're going to play the first 3 holes as 16, 17, and 18. Let's see what Corey can do. Oh, she almost got it in. She got a hole-in-one the first time we played this hole. Nice 2. All right, here's Hannah on number 1, playing as number 16. All right. Apologies, folks. It's a lot busier here. A lot louder for our last 3 holes. Nice 2.
Gary's turn on number 16. Oh.
So
Fell
close.
into the little grassy area just like ours did. You can tap it in for 2 though.
Oh, man.
His short putts are not doing good today.
All right, here's Corey. She's playing number 2 at 17. Let's see what she can do.
Ah, right over the hole.
Make sure you move it away from the wall a little bit. Hey, nice 2. All right, here's Hannah on number 2 playing at 17. Oh, that was close. And, oh, it didn't go in.
Didn't go in that time.
It's the first time I didn't go in going that way. Good job.
Gary's turn on what would be 17.
No, no can do for me. All right, here's Corey playing number 3 is 18.
Oh, this is that one that had that hidden hill there.
Nice 2. All right, here's Hannah number 3 playing as 18. I can get that in for a 2. Nice putt.
Gary's number 18, the final hole, which is also number 3, since they only had 15 holes here. So he's gonna get a 2. Good job.
Hey everyone, we just finished our round here at Space Race Adventures. This was such an awesome course. It looked very similar to Putter Pub. We think it was manufactured by the same company as Putter Pub at Carolina Beach. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we had a big winner that we hadn't had on this trip yet on this round, and it was Corey. And Hannah was in second. She played well too with a 39, just 2 strokes behind Corey, and I was in dead last. But it was still a lot of fun. I think we had 4 hole-in-ones, so that was pretty cool. And a really fun round here today with our glow balls, which I think we managed to keep them lit up by the end. We kept having to bounce them, but it was a fun round. And I hope you guys enjoyed it at Space Race Adventures here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. And if you're new to our channel and haven't seen our videos, don't forget to do what, Hannah?
Like and subscribe.
Thanks, Hannah. Let us know in the comments below what you thought about our round here. Thanks, everyone. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.